you would have to use the numbering. So you can say where the functional groups are. But for just one functional group on a ring, you don't have to say where it is. Yeah.
So you still have to number one methyl if you had a second one?
Yes. Yeah. Like if I had a CH3 there, you'd call that 1,2 dimethyl cyclopentane. And that would be different from this. That would be 1,3 dimethyl cyclopentane. That's two different things. Yeah? But when you only have the one on there, you don't have to say the one. Okay? Now, it's getting close to the end of the hour. I have just one slide left. I'd like to go through 3 more examples with you of naming these organic structures. Then we'll quit. Now this first one doesn't have any double bonds, triple bonds, or rings in it. We'll call this one a confidence builder. Would you try to name this one? Got that one? Anybody care to share? Zane, right?
4-ethyl octane.
You have a parent of octane. Yes? Right there. And then that ethyl group is coming off of 1, 2, 3, 4. You chose to make that carbon number 1, right? I like it. 4 ethyl octane. Questions on that one? Go ahead.
I have a question for this one.
Okay.
So are those like functional groups we learned earlier the only ones we have to remember?
Yes. We'll run into some other ones, but for now, yeah. Try this one. Okay, let's see if we can tackle this one together. I told you that if you have a cyclic part, then that will have to be the parent. So the parent here is going to be cyclopentane. Yeah? Yeah. Now we have two functional groups on the cyclopentane parent. In the interest of alphabetizing, I told you when you have different functional groups, alphabetize them. That, by the way, is just a general thing. It's not going to be wrong if you don't alphabetize. But that is conventionally how we do it. So just for alphabetizing, I'm going to call that carbon number 1 in the parent. If that's carbon number 1, what carbon is that one?
3.
Could it be 4 if I went 1, 2, 3, 4?
Yeah.
You could count that way, but it's wrong. You need to count this way because it's going to minimize the number. So that's going to be carbon number 3. So it looks like this. 1 chloro. And then that's what we do. We have multiple functional groups. Yeah. 1 chloro. And then hyphen. 3 propyl. And then cyclopentane. And I run out of my heat there. What do you think of that? Push it.
So what is the parent?
The parent has to be the ring. Cyclopentane is the ring.
Don't you attach the like propyl and isopropyl after?
No, the parent always comes last in the name. Always put it last. Yep. Stretching or question? Okay. Yes, no.
So when there's only like one thing attached to it, so we don't need a one.
On a ring, no. You don't need the one if there's only one thing on it. Great. Very good. Yes.
Is it possible to have a double bond inside the ring?
Yes, it is possible.
Like, such that
Yep.
family.
For instance, this, there's 6 in that ring. That would be called cyclohexene. Cyclohexene. Good strategy. You wait long enough and they hang up. I didn't think you did. Okay, last one. Here at the buzzer. I'll just go ahead and leave that comment up there as a reminder. What is the name of that compound? Unsaturated. What is the name of the parent?
Pentene.
Not just pentene. 2-pentene. That's what I'm saying in red there. You know where to number the alkenes because you've got to minimize the numbering for where the double bond is. Yes, I know that there's a functional group on there, but the priority for the numbering goes to the double bond. Or if there's a triple bond, it goes to the triple bond. So, yes, go ahead. Yeah, you know what? I was just thinking, should I tell them that? And thank you for asking, because now I will. You will not have any compounds in here that have a double and a triple bond. In fact, you won't have anything that's got 2 double bonds in it. So, yeah, we'll just not worry about that. They exist, yeah, but we're not going to name those. So this is the parent, 2-pentene. And therefore, what is the name of the whole compound?
Or.
Or methyl 2-pentyl. Yes. Just like that. Anybody have any questions or thoughts or comments? Complaints?